Hey everybody, it's George here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you are into health, fitness and wellness, please subscribe to the channel where I'm going to be uploading weekly videos such as this one. Today I'm going to talk about what I break my fast with. Now, obviously I have a big meal in the morning. I love to eat a big meal to get me ready for my day, but breakfast actually means breaking fast because when we sleep at night, we fast, and when we're fasting, the body is repairing and doing tasks that it can't do as efficiently when it's processing and digesting food. Therefore, when we wake up, it's best to break our fast to help with some of the elimination processes that the body is undergoing during this fasting period before having our first meal. Every single morning, I like to break fast with neem and turmeric powder with a small amount of water. Doesn't taste great, but it does wonders for your body. Combining this root and this leaf together will rapidly transform your health both inside and out. Turmeric is the most studied herb on the planet and has been a known internal cleanser for thousands of years. It cleans the blood from harmful toxins and pathogens, as well as making your skin glow. Once swallowed, turmeric will then go on the hunt for cancerous cells in your body and proceed to remove them, just like that. And now we come to neem leaf, also referred to as the village pharmacy. Consuming this leaf will allow you to wake up without those blocked nostrils and excess mucus in the body. It too is an internal cleanser and revitalizes stagnant energy within yourself, helping with low moods and lack of energy. Neem also contains a plant compound liminoid, which has natural pain relief abilities due to its action on the opioid pathway. Combining these herbs together can help reduce joint pain, remove fungal infections, and heavily cleanses the colon. If you have been consuming a lot of meat and fish, then there will be a vast variety of worms living inside your colon. Neem leaf takes particular enjoyment in destroying these worms and restoring your colon health. The beauty of these foods is that you can also use them on your body. For external purification, take a small pinch of turmeric, put it in a bucket of water and pour it over your body. Allow it to absorb into your skin for a while before washing it off. When you walk out of the shower, you'll notice that your skin is looking more vibrant and glowing. You can also take a teaspoon of neem powder and mix it with a small amount of water to make a paste. Apply this paste to your face and hair to make it stronger, healthier, and experience a newfound glow. Because neem works as an antifungal, it is also an effective treatment for dandruff. You only need to leave neem on your face for a few minutes before washing it off, whereas neem in the hair should be left for around 30 minutes before washing. I wouldn't advise taking neem if you are pregnant, as it can elevate heat within the body, which isn't a bad thing for an adult, but can cause complications with a tiny growing fetus who needs to be in a balanced temperature at all times. And that's it. That's what I break my fast with every single morning, neem and turmeric powder. I also put a little pinch of black pepper in there as well to help with the absorption of the turmeric. Let me know in the comments below what you break your fast with, or if you're now going to give this newfound elixir a try. I wish you nothing but love, happiness and health, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.